So students, in review, the moon is not made of green cheese. It just has many craters on it. No cow has ever jumped over the moon, although 12 men did walk on it, but not since the 1970s. There is no dark side of the moon, but there is a side that always faces away from the Earth. At any given point in time, exactly one side of the moon is light and one side of the moon is dark, just like the Earth, day and night. You see?
Actually, I don't see, Mr. Robbie. If only one half of the moon is light and one half of the moon is dark, why is a full moon all light?
Because during a full moon, the entire dark half is facing away from the Earth, and the entire light half is facing towards the Earth.
I don't know, Mr. Robbie. I think we still might need some help from the...
Don't say it, Enrico. Don't say the M word. You know what happens when someone says the M word.
Okay, Mr. Robbie.
All right, students. I'd like you to open your books to page 142, where we'll be discussing... Oh! All right, who left their magic marker on the ground?
He said the M word.
No!
Magic! Magic! Magic!
Every day I get the cue on the magic bus. Get the bus and taste is cool. On the magic bus, you never know where I might end up. On the magic bus, where I go, I'll say what's up. On the magic bus, magic bus, magic bus, magic, 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 magic bus. Look, Mr. Rocky, the magic bus magically teleported us to the moon, and we're wearing moon suits.
No. This isn't a moon. We're breathing. On the real moon, there's no air.
No, Mr. Robbie, the magic bus is pumping out oxygen from its exhaust for us to breathe.
Enrico, even if the bus was pumping out oxygen, it would just spread out. It wouldn't concentrate around us.
Mr. Robbie, don't you know anything? Tiny flying trolls deliver the magic bus's oxygen right to our mouths.
Even if that were true, it doesn't explain why your spacesuits are made out of tinfoil.
What's that? Space sheep!
There is no such thing as space sheep.
Be careful, everyone! Space sheep will riddle you, and if you answer the riddle incorrectly, you get turned into a space sheep!
That doesn't make any sense, Enrico. First of all, sheep can't even talk.
Space sheep can!
Space sheep aren't real!
Oh no, a space sheep fell on Mr. Robbie.
Hey, Earth kids! When is the moon completely dark? Mr. Robbie told us that the moon is never completely dark. It's at least half light and half dark. Half and half not.
There must be an answer, otherwise the space sheep wouldn't ask that question.
Hurry, everyone! We must answer soon, or else we will all turn into space sheep. Completely dark? How could our moon be completely dark?
If only Mr. Robbie were here, he would know the answer.
I know!
You do? There's only one way the moon can be completely dark, during a lunar eclipse.
That's brilliant! But on the moon, it won't be called a lunar eclipse. It will be called an apple eclipse. Like.
So is there anything higher than the moon? Well, Mars is higher.
Look, Mars.
And Jupiter's higher.
Jupiter.
And Pluto.
There are so many planets. Hundreds and hundreds of them. I wish Mr. Robbie was here.
Yeah, what happened to Mr. Robbie anyway?
Hello? Class? Are you still there? Hello? Oh no.
Magic bus, magic bus, magic, 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 magic bus.
Oh, hey everybody. It's Mr. Robbie, and I'm here to definitively answer the question, how high can you get? You see, you can only really get as high as Earth's exosphere, about 10,000 kilometers above sea level. That's the final layer of the Earth's atmosphere before you get into space. Once you start heading out into space, things don't get higher, they get further. For example, the Sun is further from Earth than Venus is. Well, that's not actually true. You see, the planets aren't lined up in a straight line like you see depicted in many diagrams. They are actually orbiting the Sun at different speeds. So sometimes Mars is closest to planet Earth, and sometimes it's Venus, and sometimes it's Mercury. So you can't really answer the question which planet is close to Earth. It all depends on the current moment in time. You see, you have to think fourth dimensionally. That's science.
Magic, magic.
Stop saying that!